Welcome back to Dad Deals for the top things you should be buying at Harbor Freight in November 2025. Now, of course, we have that Black Friday sale that's going to be taking place at the end of November. And if you haven't already, go check out my video showing you the whole breakdown of that Black Friday ad. But in the meantime, Harbor Freight has just released a bunch of new coupons. They have some early Black Friday deals, some other coupons. The Inside Track Club has a bunch of deals available, and even some new products. So stay tuned. Of course, I'll break it all down for you. And as always, if you found my video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel. And without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing to talk about is the mini steel toolboxes. There are 3 brand new colors that are available now. And those colors are slate gray, green, and purple. So those join the black, red, and blue boxes that they've had for a while. Now, those new colors are going to cost you $19. That is the normal standard retail price of these boxes, but you can score the original black, blue, or red boxes on clearance or discount right now at $15. So $15 for the old ones, $19 for the new ones. I do think eventually they'll all be sort of the same price, but there is currently a $4 premium on those new colors. So head to your store. They should already be out in all the stores and pick out your favorite color. All right, so next up, we have some early Black Friday deals, they're calling them. And first up is the US General. These are your socket trays, 3-piece sets here for $18, available in red, blue, or green. Next up, we have the Warrior Step drill bits. I love this drill bit set. If you don't have any of these, this is a great starter set to get. And this set is just $9. You have just your basic all-purpose weather tarp here. This is the 5-foot, 6-inch by 7-foot, 6-inch version of that, on sale for just $2.19. The Pittsburgh magnetic pickup tool is just $4. Some flex head ratcheting combination wrench sets. These are 5-piece sets available in standard or metric. Both sets are $22. Some nice clear stacking storage bins are on sale for just $3. These really small micro spring clamps, these are a 6-piece set. Hey, you can use them as chip clips if you want to. A lot of different uses out of these, and this is just 99 cents for a 6-piece set. Also just 99 cents, you can get some plastic drop cloths. Here we have your Quinn premium screwdriver set. This is a 15-piece set here. Get nice comfort grip handles. They have magnetic tips on them, and it's $22. These foam kneeling pads always come in handy. Great to have, especially as you get older. They have the integrated handle cut right into them, and these are just $5. Here's a nice router bit set. A 15-piece set here gets you all your common routing edges covered. This is from Bauer, and it's $33. Here we have just a basic zipper pouch. Could be used for a bunch of things. Even has a little label cut out here, and these are just $2. Your Icon underhood floodlight has that rechargeable LED, can get up to 2100 lumens, is 22% off at $70. The Merlin Air blowgun with the extensions, which can be really nice getting into tight spaces, cleaning out areas, maybe under a car hood or underneath some cabinets. But this set is just $7. Moving blankets are always great. I always keep one in the back of my truck to just keep anything I'm loading back there from getting scratched up. But this one's just $4. These long funnels are always handy to have on hand. This is your 18-inch long funnel, and it's just $2. If you have any interior car projects in your future, make sure you get one of these plastic molding tool sets. Maybe you're going to install a dash cam or run any wire around your car. These are a must-have in that situation. And this set is just $5.50. Here's just a cheap torpedo level, always good to have, and it's just $2. Some Merlin air hoses. Here's your 25-foot hybrid air hose, and it's $18. You also have a 50-foot retractable version at $70. If you change your own oil, these are always great to have. You can just slide it under your car. Has a nice recessed sort of catch basin here that it can store the used up engine oil, and this is just $13. Next up, we have the folding cargo carrier. These are super convenient to have, can just free up a lot of space in your vehicle, and it can fold up out of the way when you're not using it, so you don't have to fully detach it from your car, and this is $100. They also have their Hallmaster roof-mounted cargo carrier. That's on sale for $80. And then some universal crossbars at $70. So any road trips you got planned, you need some extra storage inside your car, definitely check out these items. Next up, we have some 10-inch groove joint pliers for a great price here at $5. Your Pittsburgh Pro half-inch drive breaker bar is only $10. That's 33% off the normal price. Here's a nice flashlight. This is a 300 lumen magnetic flashlight from Braun. These things can get super bright, and it's just $5. You also have a 450 lumen pin light, has the built-in rechargeable battery, and it's $15. If you have any of their Atlas batteries, whether it be 40 volt or 80 volt, you can pick up this power inverter. It's It's going to give you an AC port, 2 USB-A ports, and 1 USB-C port. Can handle up to 300 watts of power at $70. I love the little chart it gives you on the back here. Kind of gives you an estimate depending on what battery, what you're going to be running, for how long one of these would last. This would be great to take camping with you. I really like the design too of this with the handle. So it's nice to see them put some effort into these Atlas tools. You also have a good deal on this dual voltage. So it could be used with 40 volt or 80 volt tools. It's a 5 amp hour battery for $100. A really nice bit set here. This is your Hercules impact rated, has the hex in so it can quick connect into your drills. A 21 piece set here at $25. Hardwood dollies are on sale. I actually use one of these with my Tough system. I 3D printed some cleats so it can attach to it, and it's a much cheaper option than the Tough built version of this. It's just $23. Here's a new item. This is sort of a multi-use saw set, 11 piece set here. You're getting a hacksaw, some jab saws, some replacement blades thrown in there. So a nice set at $13. Here's a great price on a tape measure. This is your Bauer heavy duty 25 foot tape measure at just $6. That's a great price. You also have the Bauer bench grinder with the belt sander on the side for $150. Now this is your super small. This is the 4-inch magnetics parts holder. Can often get it for free, but this is just $1 right now, so a no-brainer. These are always great to have. Your extreme duty tarps, these are the ones that I like to get. This is your 5.5 foot by 7.5 foot version. These really do hold up well, and this is just $3 for this. Another great item that I've loved are these Niagara professional spray bottles. These are great if you have any leftover herbicides or pesticides that you're going to spray. You can label this bottle and sort of spot spray anywhere that you missed. This is a 2-pack and they're just $5. Also a nice little sprayer. This is a pump sprayer. It's just a ½ gallon, so great for small applications, and this is $4. Next up, we have some Inside Track Club member deals. This is the yearly subscription that you do have to pay for, but they have a bunch of deals going on now, good all the way through the end of November. And also, if you're Inside Track Club, you're going to get early access to those Black Friday deals. But here's the Pittsburgh fully polished combination wrench set available in standard and metric at just $6. You can spruce up an outside patio or deck with these LED string lights. These are just $19, available in black wire or white wire. A nice 4-piece Quinn plier set here, some needle nose, some snips, kind of all of your standard, most commonly used pliers. Nice set here at $20. You have the 4-in-1 convertible hand truck from Franklin at $150. If you're expecting any large Christmas gift items or new appliances or anything like that, one of these will be really handy to grab. The Braun 700 lumen rechargeable LED headlamp is $19 right now. The Predator gas cultivator, so you might be kind of late in the season at this point, but you'll be ready to go next spring, and this is $200. I love those US General magnetic accessories. Here's the paper towel holder. Can use this on your cabinet. Can also be used with grills and griddles, but this is just $10, available in all those colors. Here's your Avanti 2-stage portable paint and stain sprayer. Has the hand pump, so you don't need to plug it into an outlet, and this is on sale for $100. Here's the new Quinn precision screwdriver set. It's a 12-piece set. I love the way it's laid out here. You get a nice case with this. Kind of keeps everything organized. This is already on sale for ITC members at $10. Here's a great thing to have as we get into the Christmas season and you're tasked with opening up all those toys, all those clamshell packaging. This is your Warrior cordless power cutter, and it's on sale for $30. I promise you'll be a hero during Christmas time with one of these. Next up, we have the Bauer heavy duty job site backpack at $50. Has a nice solid base to keep the bag upright with 23 pockets all around it. Here's a nice scraper. If you're going to get one with a nice comfort grip like you see here. This is just $7. You have the 1 1/4 pump sprayer here. Nothing fancy, but it's always nice to keep different chemicals and things separated. So getting a different pump sprayer for each thing you spray can be nice and can be a good idea to not cross-contaminate. And this is just $10. Here we have the Hercules circular saw beam cutter. So you can really get more use out of your circular saw with one of these, and this is $50. You have some heat shrink butt connectors, a 30-piece set here at $7, great for any electronics, maybe on a boat, in your car, anything like that. The Pittsburgh wood chisel set, I love this set. I've had this forever. This is a 4-piece set at just $5. A 24-inch level here for just $8. They also have a 72-inch level for $15. Some Bauer hook and loop sanding discs. These are 50 packs. And these are on sale for $15. If you have any of those power stations with solar panels, this connection cable kit will come in really handy. Kind of gives you all your connections that you need, and this is just $13. Well, definitely a cheap item. These are actually really handy if you have any closets or in your attic or any areas where you just need a little bit extra light. These you can just stick up and it has an on and off switch. And these are just $1.29. We talked about that dolly earlier, but this is something I never even knew that they sold. This is a swivel handle for any of their wood dollies, which could really come in handy. You get everything that you need, all the hardware that you need, and this is just $8. Your Badlands Snatch recovery straps are on sale for $50. So if you have any off-roading plans, definitely make sure you have one of these and you carry one of these. And that's it. Those are all your deals for November. Again, check out that Black Friday video if you haven't already. I do think they will eventually expand that ad. And of course, I'll have that covered for you here when they do. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you guys next time on Dad Deals.